Hello and welcome to Storytime with Ms. Nikki. I'm delighted to have the opportunity to share some of my day with you. Today's read aloud takes place in India. It is titled Mina versus the Monsoon. You may be wondering, what is a monsoon? Monsoon is a seasonal change of wind direction, and it is quite common in India. It comes in two cycles, one in the summertime, which brings heavy rain and flooding, and the other in winter, which brings dry weather conditions and sometimes drought. Let's read about Mina and the monsoon. Mina versus the Monsoon is written by author Rukhsanna Guidroz and illustrated by Dasgupta. Mina was feeling sad. She was watching peacocks walk past the mango tree outside her house when one of them let out a piercing cry. Mina knew the monsoon rains were coming. She was going to be stuck indoors all day. Mina peeked into the kitchen. "Can I play soccer?" she asked her ummi. Her mother was humming a tune as she kneaded dough. "Nahi, Betty. Stay inside. You will catch a cold in the rain. Let's celebrate the monsoon with chai and samosas." Mina crossed her arms. "I promise I won't catch a cold. I hate the monsoon. I hate all the feasts and songs. Scoring goals, that's what I celebrate." With a flash of lightning and a clap of thunder, it started to rain. The smell of damp earth filled the house. Mina ran to her room. She took out a sandalwood elephant from her drawer and placed it on her blanket. "Little elephant, Ami doesn't understand. Running with the ball, weaving in and out until it's just you and the goal. She has never felt that explosion of happiness when you score." Heavy raindrops drummed on the tin roof of Mina's house, like 1,000 fingers on 1,000 tablas. Playing the tabla always cheered her up. If she played loudly enough, she might even chase those pesky clouds away. It was worth a try. Mina sat in her room and beat on the tabla. She played them until she was short of breath and her hands were sore. It was time to check on the rain. Mina looked out of the window. Her gaze was met by a sheet of silver raindrops. Her heart sank. From her window, Mina could make out a white smudge coming toward her house from the other side of the village. It was the Dudwala on his bicycle, loaded with milk cans. "Does it have to rain?" Mina asked, as the Dudwala handed her a jug of fresh milk. "Yes, it does. Rice and paddies would die without water, and mangoes and trees would shrivel up. Mina, this is a time to dance and be happy." Like Ami, he too didn't understand, but his words made her think. Why not dance to stop the rain? Mina had everything she needed to dress up. Bright gold bindi, red-orange salwars kameez, copper-brown henna, and silver anklets. She admired her reflection. A day without soccer? Never! Mina went around in a circle, dancing to the beat of the rain. She tapped her foot here and twisted her wrist there. Her anklets jingled and her salwars kameez swished. Sweat ran down her temples. She was sure this had worked. Mina groaned at the grey clouds still covering the sky. Betty! Ami came looking for her. Still sad? She asked, glancing at the soccer ball in her room. Mina nodded. Stop sulking and fetch me some thread to string a flower garland. The clouds appeared today, all of a sudden. Maybe like magic, they will disappear tomorrow. Ami had just given Mina a brilliant idea. Mina faced her elephant and said, Little elephant, I need your help with a magic trick. Let's make the clouds vanish so I can play soccer today. Mina waved her arms in the air to shoo the clouds away. She waited. Magic this big could take a while. Mina remembered Ami had asked her for thread. When she went to look for it in her mother's cabinet, Mina found something she had never seen before. She pulled it out and unfolded it. It was a soccer jersey. It's mine, Ami confessed. I wore it when I was your age. Every rainy season, I would catch a cold, so I'd wait indoors, bored until the sun came out. You played soccer? Yes, just like you. Mina slipped on the jersey, a perfect fit. It was time to see if her magic trick had worked. The dark clouds were gone. The heavy rain had turned into a light drizzle. I did it! Mina's eyes grew wide with excitement. In the pale light of evening, she saw a peacock fly onto a branch. Another followed, and the pair sat sheltered from the rain. Mina let out a joyous laugh. She now knew exactly what to do. The two of us can play soccer, Ami. If it rains again, we will hide like the peacocks, so we won't catch a cold. We can celebrate with chai and samosas and soccer. A slow smile spread across Ami's face. Betty, that's the best idea you have had all day. Out on the street, Ami passed the ball to Mina. Mina kicked up a spray of chocolate brown water and sent the ball straight into the goal. The end. I love the colorful illustrations in this book. I am glad that Mina realized that there's a time for everything. Monsoons are important because without rain, there are no flowers and nothing grows. I hope you enjoyed this story. Until next time, take care.